So I just got here to this truck stop. I'm in Cherokee Pass, Missouri. Look at all this ice. This is snow that is melted and refroze. I came in here and man, my truck was just bouncing and cracking ice. It sounded cool, but I started sliding everywhere. All of that is parking over there and it's not been cleared at all. But anyway, crazy weather. I'm getting better on my cold or flu or whatever I had. I'm starting to get better, so maybe we can put some videos out. This one ought to be interesting with the guy that got the cops called on him. So let me put this video together and I'll put it out for you guys. We'll be right back. So I know you guys are probably confused on what's going on here with this video. I was too at first. What happened was I pulled into this Petro, not a Petro, Pilot at Oak Grove, Kentucky. I was wanting to do a 2-hour split break. I sat in my truck for a few minutes. I scheduled a shower. My shower came available, got my bag, ran in there, got a shower, grabbed a bite to eat while I was in there, come back out to the truck, and I was putting up my bag and everything. Wasn't thinking about doing any type of recording or whatever like that. And all of a sudden this Oak Grove, Kentucky police car flew up and parked, you know, almost in front of my truck to where I couldn't get out. And he got out of the patrol car and walked up to me, and I was like, what, you know, I didn't do anything. I don't know what's going on here. And he pointed to the truck next to me and said, you know, have you seen anyone in this truck? And I said, no. I said, I just got out of the shower. I was about to leave. And he said, you haven't seen anyone around the truck getting in and out or anything? And I said, don't have a clue. I don't know anything about what's going on. So anyway, sat there for a few minutes. He was shining the flashlight in the truck. His partner, a female police officer, was standing in front of the truck. And all of a sudden she yelled and said, there he is. I see him coming out. He's right there at the window. And the guy turned around and, you know, the guy in the truck was rolling the window down and was like, hey, I got a little bit of the conversation, but not all of it. And he said something about he got into it with his company and mouthed off to them, and he was supposed to be getting back to the terminal or getting a load or something like that. And the police officer said, no, what we have heard is you were supposed to abandon the vehicle or vacate the vehicle, that the vehicle has been abandoned, and why are you still here? And the guy kept saying, I needed to get this load, I needed to get home. And the police officer said, no, that's not true. Well, there was another guy showed up about that same time, and I didn't get any of this on video because I was trying to get my camera going, and scrambling, trying to, I keep everything in this bag right here, and it's all zipped up. Craziness, and I was grabbing everything, trying to get a microphone and get a camera. I was just not prepared, wasn't ready for this, but anyway, I grabbed what I could grab, and I started videoing. And this other guy that came by, apparently he had flown in on an airplane. So this guy in the truck apparently had been there for a while, a good couple of days, maybe 3 days or something. I don't know. I was trying to piece it all together myself. And apparently the company just told him park the truck and leave it and go. And I don't know. I mean, I remember the cop saying, man, just make it easy on yourself. I just don't understand why a trucking company would throw you out on the street like that. I mean, this guy must have done something extraordinarily bad. I mean, beyond belief bad. Or it was just a really bad company. I don't know. But it's why you don't want to run yourself down to the very last dollar out on the road, folks. You need to have a few dollars in your pocket, have an emergency contact or something, as backup that could come pick you up, because man, I couldn't imagine a company just throwing you out on the ground like that with all your stuff and then taking the truck and just leaving you. I mean, what could this guy have done? Or was that company just that bad? I don't know. I would like to hear your opinions. I've been talking to a couple of truck drivers about it. This trucking company, you can clearly see their name in the video, and I'm going to leave it up. You guys can look at their reviews and everything. They're not very highly rated as a company, so and they're out of Chicago, so you got to think about that too. So I would like to hear from you guys. What do you think happened, or what should have been done, or what could have been done better? Anyway, there you go. And I just knocked my camera off. There you go. But in the comments what you think happened. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.